So hello again. This is the aftermath of me taking apart the HP computer desktop, which is right here. I don't know if you've seen my video before this. I took apart this desktop. I took it apart. I took this side off, and then I took the front part off. And what I did was I had to take it apart because I put in one of the one of my music CDs in there, and what happened was it bust and it cracked and it just shattered everywhere on the DVD drive. So now I'm gonna open it right now. So everything works. What happened was I put a CD in here, closed it. After 7 seconds, I heard like a glass shatter, and I took it apart, cleaned it out, and it works fine. So everybody that's out there that wants to know what happens after you take apart a HP Pavilion Slimline by yourself, you can save $80 to $130. For me, it was $130. So yeah, you can save about that much. Yeah, my HP Pavilion, the year is 09. So the year for my HP Pavilion is 2009. So it's not that old. So yeah, I took it apart and now it works. So you can do it yourself. Also, I have a flat screen TV, a 32-inch. The brand is Insignia. If you can see it, the brand is Insignia from Best Buy. 32 inches. So I'm just letting you know that I've had it for 3 years now and it works. So Insignia brand is pretty good. So thank you for watching, and I'm just letting you know what brands out there are pretty good. And I also have some DVD brands and receiver brands, like high definition receiver brands that I'm still using, and I'm still trying to use them until they crash or whatever. Then I'll give you an update. Also, same for cell phones. So keep update, and thank you for watching.